Hey there, Kalena from Voice Savvy coming right back at you with another video. So today I'm going to be talking about the vocal tube and how vocal tubing can really help to optimize your singing voice. Now I'm keeping this video short and sweet just because I haven't been 100% recently with some kind of a cold and sore throat, which you can probably hear, though let me just say it's not COVID, but I wanted to make sure that I delivered this video for you guys. You know, I really appreciate your support with the channel and I just wanted to make sure that I'm consistent with the videos for you. But without further ado, let's talk about it. So the vocal tube is definitely one of my favorite exercises. It is a semi-occluded vocal tract exercise, which just means that your mouth is partially closed. It is really great voice therapy. So if your voice is feeling fatigued, if it's feeling tired, even if you're recovering from a cold, laryngitis, all of that, the vocal tube is really going to help to get your voice back on track. You know I'm definitely going to be using it a lot over the next week just to really help get my voice back into a good place again. It also really helps to smooth out register breaks over time. So just that transition from chest voice to head voice and really just smoothing that out. Doing the vocal tube on a daily basis is going to help you with that. And then also it's really great for breath management. It really helps to improve breath management over time as well. So just doing this on a daily basis is really just going to encourage good coordination in your singing voice. You know, when it comes to training and developing the voice, it's all about building in new coordinations. You're building in new coordinations to override the old coordinations, really get rid of those old habits and those old ways of singing so that you can really build in a better voice. But if you're just doing this, it's all about repetition, it's all about practice, it's all about patience, and doing the vocal tube on a daily basis is really going to help you to really build in those new coordinations, those healthy coordinations into your singing voice. So let me just briefly give you some exercises that you can try with the vocal tube. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to do today, but I'm going to try and do a little something for you. So you can start out with some pitch glides, going from a comfortable low note to a comfortable high note and then back down again just like this. So the next one is the hills. Oh my goodness, my voice is feeling better already. Woo! Anyway, coming back to the hills, you're just imagining that you're going over hills with the sound of your voice, and you're really just going to be engaging your abdominal muscles with this one as well. So you can do the pitch glides and the hills for around 5 minutes, and then if you feel like it, you can take it to the scale. And then once you've done the scale, you can do it to your favorite song melody. Oh my goodness, I just have to say that my voice is feeling so much better just from doing this vocal tube on this video for you guys. So make sure that you do it. So that is it for vocal tubing. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure that you do the vocal tube on a daily basis, and I promise you, over time, your voice will massively improve. But until next time, have an amazing week and I will see you soon. Mwah, peace out.